Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, the Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how you can use WeChat as a beginner. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you can use your WeChat. And also, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about WeChat and some other relevant topics, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So let's dip into tutorial and see how you guys can use WeChat. So starting from the home page right here, if you open your WeChat for the very first time, you are going to receive a default message like this. This is from WeChat. Welcome you to the hub. So down below here, this is place where you're going to see all your chat. Right here is where you're going to see your all contacts. Here is where you're going to see discovery, and here is your access to your profile on WeChat. So starting from the contact right here, what are the things you can do with contact? So on the contact section, if I click on the contact section, this is where you're going to see all the numbers of people you have saved in your contact list, including your personal WeChat names and your WeChat number. Okay, all right. So at this top here, this is where you can add a new friend. So if you click on that point, if you click on here, you're going to see different options by which you can use to add people on WeChat. So at the top here, you can copy and paste the person WeChat number at that point. Or so better still, you can click on add contact at the top. So when you click on add contact at the top, you can also use scan to add friend on WeChat. That's another alternative. If you click on scan, so it's going to open up the scan window whereby you need to click on here to upload the person QR code and scan. So when you scan the person, then you can from there add the person to your contact list on WeChat. So that is all you need to know about the contact section. So right here, discover section. What do you have? What you can do with discover section? Under discover section, you can access moments, scan, shake, top story, search, and people nearby you. What you can do under the moments, this section presents you guys to see what is going on about your friends, what are the things they upload at the moment. So that's what that is all about. Under the scan section, there are two things you can do under the scan section. If I click on the scan section, one of the things you can do is that you can scan friends. You can use this button to scan a friend in order to add them to your WeChat list, or you can scan person to send them money on WeChat. So another scan section here is what you can use to translate a screenshot in Chinese character. You can use it to translate a screenshot Chinese character to English language. So all you have to do when you select translate, you have to come here, click on the picture icon to upload the picture you would like to translate. So these are the two things you can do with scan section. And the shaky and top story, search, etc. Under the search, this is just a normal way of searching for stuff on WeChat. People nearby, you can search people by location. So these are the things, these are the basic things you can do under this discover. So move to the main right here. If you click on main, then this is presents you another tab whereby you'll be able to see your favorite and your posts, your sticker gallery, and more settings right here. So at the top here, you're going to see your WeChat ID and your WeChat name. Then click on here. That will give you, if you click on here, that's going to give you more options as regard. So right here, you can change your WeChat name. All you have to do is to click on here to edit your WeChat name. So if you click on here, you can tap here and begin to type in whatever you want to type. Then you can decide to add stuff to your name. When you are done, you can see the save icon become active. Just click on save, then the name is going to be fully changed and saved. At the top right here, what you can do also, you can upload your personal picture. All you have to do is to tap on profile photo. Then when you tap on profile photo, come to the top right here, these three dots, click on that. So when you click on that, this is where you can select from album. You can choose a picture from your album and upload to your WeChat profile. So that is what you can do for that section. Right here, this is your WeChat ID. And right here is your QR code. So if I click on QR code, what QR code simply means, it means two things. One, this QR code here, if you send it to a friend on WeChat, they can use this QR code to scan and add you as a friend. And also, they can use this particular same QR code to send you money on WeChat. What they have to do is to collect your QR code, they scan it with their own WeChat, then your information will pump up. That is what the work of QR code. So last section on here is more info. Okay, so when you click on more info, you're going to, this is where you can change your gender. So if you click on gender right here, you click on here. If you are a male or a female, you can decide to choose any one of your gender. Then when you are done, click on done at the top here, it will automatically update. So your region right here can be changed also. So let's, for instance, when maybe if you are doing the registration, you have not checked select a country, or you have not done anything that has to do with that during your registration, you can from here change your country to you can decide to change to another country as the case may be. So when you are done changing your country, then you can go back. Then right here is just what you are this is just like a WhatsApp status. You can click on here and write in whatever you want to do. So you can see right here that I say I'm good to be here 100%. So so you can just, once you are done with whatever you want to write, click on save icon at the top here, then it's going to be saved. It's as simple as that. So click on save. Then once you are done with more info, you have to go back. Tap this icon also to go back. So we are done with the everything you need to do at the top section right here. So move to the settings. What are the things you can do under this setting? There are a bunch of things you can do. Right here, you come to the account and security. So if you come to the account and security, there are thousands of things you can do right here. Right here, this is your WeChat ID. Right here is the phone number you use to open your WeChat. At this point here, you can change your password, your login password from this point at where you see password. Then you click on more settings. This more setting presents you with more options, such as you can link your QQ ID, you can link your email address, you can link your Facebook tools to this particular account. When you do all these things, it makes your accounts more safe and more secure. So for you to link on any of these options, so all you have to do is to click on not linked. So when you click on not linked, then it presents you right here. Then you just have to click on link Facebook account if that is what you want to link to your account. So you are going to be fine when you eventually link the account all together. So guys, so finally guys, at this section you can click on visit WeChat Security Center. So if you visit WeChat Security Center, provide you with different, if you have any issues with your WeChat account, this is where you set you solve the problem of whatever you have as far as WeChat is concerned. So right here, you can, if you have an issue of forgetting login info, this is where you recover your account. Unblock account or features, you can read an article like this. Freeze account, you can read an article like this. On freeze account, more article here. Then account cancellation, if eventually you want to delete or you want to clear all data and permanently cancel your WeChat account, this is where it goes up. So guys, so this is all you can do as far as WeChat account security is concerned, and this is everything you need to know about account and security section on WeChat. So right here from easy mode, if you click on the easy mode, this is where you can switch from so you can, if you have not yet enabled it, make sure it become enabled. So then easy mode will reflect after the start of WeChat. Click on OK. You can see the WeChat is trying to restart. So you can see the features of easy mode. It make everything more bigger and bold, most especially if you are not satisfied with the tiny of a thing. So quickly go back to the main. So you can see now everything become more bold. You can go back to settings. So if you don't want easy mode you can come back here and click on enable, then disable. It's as simple as that. Then click on OK. Then WeChat is going to restart again. So you can see now we have back to the normal mode. So quickly go back to me again and see some other settings you can do as far as WeChat is concerned. So go back to settings. So that is for easy mode and stuff like that. One thing you can do here also, you can come to chat section. Under this chat section, this is where you can choose your you can decide to enable speaker. When you are chatting, you want something, some sound, you can turn it on. When you are trying to send a message, you want some stuff to be sent, you can click on that to turn these two icon off. Then click on OK. Then click so it's as simple as that. You want to add a background to your chat environment, you click on the background here, and you can choose from wallpaper. You can choose from wallpaper or choose a photo or take a photo. You can decide to apply all the effects to your chat. So if you click on choose a wallpaper, these are just two default wallpaper by WeChat. So you can choose on any one of your choice just to beautify your chat environment. It's as simple as that. Then right here from the stickers, so stickers there are many stickers you can get on WeChat. So right here you can decide to custom a love sticker, you can make a selfie stickers, you can do different a lot of things as far as sticker is concerned. So you want to clear some of the chat history, you have to click on here, click on chat history. So everything you have been chatting of so far will be clear off once you click on that. Okay, so move to the general right here. What you can do on the general section is that if you click on general options right here, this is where you can turn from at the top here, you can decide to switch from normal mode to dark mode. All you have to do is to make sure this is turned on and then click on done. Then it's turned automatically from light mode to dark mode. And right here, this is where you can make sure your language is autocorrect. So in case you are chatting with some other people, other languages, it automatically converts for you. Then under the text sizes, this is where you have to set up the size of your font size. And here has to do with photos, videos, features, and course. And manage, discover, and tools and stuff like that. So under the tools, what you can do right here is that you can link with Facebook. You can link with WeChat on Facebook with these tools right here. If you would like to link with WeChat, right here you can set up your WeChat Pay from that point as the case may be. So this is how you can do as far as general is concerned. So quickly, you want to switch your accounts, you can click on here to switch from one account to another. And lastly, from this section, this is where you can log out from your WeChat. Let's, for instance, you are done with everything you need to do, you can decide to log out from that section. So back to the home page right here. One thing you can do in a quick way, you can click on this plus here. So when you click on this plus here, you can send money to people. You can see it here, new chat, add a friend, has a contact, then scan and send money. So if you click on here, you need to wait it to be load, and then you can link your bank card. You can make it enable. You can see this option right here that quick pay not enable. After enable, this display code to cashier or quick stuff like that. So this is just because this account is very new. I have not activated the WeChat Pay. For you to activate the WeChat Pay, just click on here. So when you click on here, make sure these are the things you can do with this option here: receive money, reward code, split bill, and packet nearby. Okay, so for you to achieve all these things, you have to click on enable now. You click on enable now, then they will ask you to add a Chinese mainland class bank card can get your identity verified before using this feature. So this simply means that if you don't have Chinese mainland bank card, this is not going to work for you. So you must have a Chinese mainland bank card before you can use that feature. That's just the meaning. So guys, this is what I have for you guys on everything and how you guys can use WeChat without having any issue. A quick tip before I round up this tutorial. So if you're very new to WeChat and your account is very new for the first time, make sure you don't add a multiple friends when your account is very new. Another thing you need to take note is that make sure you link your WeChat account to your Facebook account, to your Gmail account, and to your Facebook account, Gmail account. So make sure you link it into the two options. This is because it makes your account more secure, and sometimes if you find it difficult to remember your login detail, you can access your WeChat account via these two options. And lastly, you can try as much as possible to verify your WeChat identity. This is also protects you from getting blocked or flag your account on WeChat. And also make sure whenever if you open a WeChat as a very new account, make sure you use your WeChat at least minimum of 48 hours in a on every blessed day. Make sure at least you visit your WeChat account. Whether even you don't have anything to do with account, just make sure you try to log in once in 24 hours or twice in 24 hours. This protects your account, and it makes WeChat not to block your account or not to see the account as a redundancy account. So all these things are things you can do to protect your WeChat from get blocked from WeChat Corporation. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up. Share this video to your loved one that have issue or that don't know how to use WeChat. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.